Hello, hello. This is Derek from One River Tea and Tao Teaware. Here we are in Fuding, a small city on China's Fujian province, which is coastal, mountainous, really beautiful. We're looking at one of their most famous tea types. That's the Fuding Bai Cha, the Fuding White Tea. Right now it's April 5th, which is about the Qingming Festival. The Qingming Festival, very few pickers are out here picking on the fields. A lot of them are back home sweeping their family tombs. However, the Qingming Festival is very famous in China for the green tea and the white tea because a lot of the best tea in China is picked before or right around this time. So we're so excited to be here. We were just in Hangzhou looking at the Dragon Well. Now we're here looking at this Fuding Bai Cha. Today, behind me, this is Cho's factory. We're going to look at this factory, look at how the tea is picked and processed within it because it is pristine, it is clean, and everything Cho makes just tastes so beautiful. We want to figure out why. So let's take a look. All right, so after the tea is picked, it's brought to the factory. His factory, Cho's factory, is down in Diantou. And so we have a bunch of tea that was picked in different gardens throughout the region. And it's all brought to this factory to be processed together. As you've seen, this factory is incredibly clean, and so this is where I want my tea made. I don't want it made in a small shack on a mountain. I want it made in a very clean and controllable environment. So this fresh tea is getting taken out of the bags from the pickers after it's been weighed, after it's been processed and marked, and now we're going to start the withering process. We need to sort this tea onto these baskets to let the them wither down and lose some of their water content. All right, so here we are in the withering room. Behind me is a whole bunch of Bai Mudan that was just picked today. It's a little misty and dreary outside, and so we have it inside to wither down. To the right and left of me are huge fans that are letting air circulate through. All the tea is on perforated racks that let air flow from the top, from the bottom, and really help the tea wither down without creating excess heat, without creating trapped moisture. This is the second ideal for good processing of white tea. The first ideal would be to do this outside under the sun or under the shade, but as it's dreary outside, we can't quite do that. And so luckily Cho has this beautiful, very clean, very well-made room that can help him do this process. All right, this is the final stage of the production. Behind me, surrounded, are these dunes, these mounds of tea. Each mound maybe has about 100 kilograms of tea in it. A huge amount of mudan going on right here. This is the process called yang cha. Yang cha means to raise the tea or grow the tea. A lot of this tea was picked in different fields, picked maybe in different weather conditions, different times of day, maybe even different days entirely. What's going on right now is they're putting it all together right before the final stage of drying to let all of the enzymes kind of meld and merge, and so they become chemically homogenized. The way it's described to me before is a rotten apple. The way a rotten apple will spoil the bunch. some kind of chemical process is going on here to create all the teas from the different batches to taste the same, to be processed the same. And then what we can do is label them batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, and press them and sell them batch by batch, 100 kilogram batches. All right, now here's our moment of truth. Let's take a little bit of this fresh Bai Mudan, late Bai Mudan, early Chomei, fresh out of this yang cha pile. It still hasn't been sorted, it's not fully dried, but you know what? Let's give it a taste and see how we did. All right, I am so excited to try this tea. It smells like fresh cut grass. It's so beautiful. Let's pour some boiling water over it and see how it is. Again, the green in this tea hasn't been finally killed. It still needs that final drying phase, and so it's still potentially a little moist, but we'll see how it is nonetheless. Oh, beautiful, beautiful white tea. This is what you would expect. This is why it's called white tea. Beautiful. Let's give the leaves a smell. Ooh. Something deeply more vegetal. Again, fresh cut grass. I'm getting some asparagus. A little bit of that cantaloupe, the honey melon. Let's give it a taste, huh? Interesting, it's very refreshing in the mouth, very sweet, but it misses those higher floral notes that I find in like the finished Bai Mudan. And so again, I think this is gonna be a great batch of tea, but we just need to wait until the final sorting and the final drying phase because it's still homogenizing with itself, it's still muted, it's still a little wet, a little green. Really amazing how at every stage in the process, it slowly is shaped to become that final tea, but it's still not there yet. We're gonna have to wait a few more days to try it, but until then, thanks for watching. Brew happy. Oh, so sweet.